Hello and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we are talking about how the end of August, even kind of at the beginning of August, it's all the talk is about fall. I hate it so much. I know a lot of people get really excited for it, but I really like the seasons to stay in the seasons. I'm just not ready for sweaters. I'm not ready for sweater weather. I've seen it a lot in talking about fashion, makeup. I live on the west coast of Canada and it has been really gloomy this August. We've been getting rain, which is great. Also, side note, let's get into the makeup application. We're gonna be doing summer makeup still. Maybe it can be like a little bit of a transition into fall, just a hair. But using the bright colors, the warm colors. I'm gonna start with some matte MAC primer, holy moly. And just apply that in the T-zone. All right, what was I saying? I don't remember, which isn't good. That's why we shouldn't do a side note. Oh, right. I live on the west coast of Canada and we've been having a lot of rain this August, which is great for the plants, but I need another 2-3 weeks of sun. I need just 24 sunshine and then I'm ready for, the gloom. We don't get very sunny winters or even early springs. It's gray clouds, lots of rain. I'm just using a bit of MAC Prep and Prime for the lips. I got this a few years ago and I feel like I need to get through it. There's been a few bits of my makeup where I'm just okay, I've had this for long enough. It's time to use it up. And for my base, I am going in with the MAC Studio Radiance with the Makeup by Mario Bronzing and Shaping Serum. It has a really thin formula, so I find it just works great to match the skin tone when you've been out in the sun for the summer. You get a little tan. Now, I have been experiencing some breakouts. I don't know what it is. I think I need to learn how to manage my stress better, because I had really clear skin for quite a while and it's just been a bit of a vengeance on my cheeks. I woke up this morning. I think I've been maybe using too many cleansing acidic serums or face wash. It's just been doing the opposite of what I want. Now MAC has come out with a new concealer, which I'm gonna check out today. It's why I'm getting ready. It matches the Studio Radiance foundation by MAC. I just want to test it out. I want to see what it's like. Now, I do think matte skin is coming back in. I think I said that on a reel or a short, so I will link that in this video. I'm kind of excited. I'm ready for some new trends in makeup. I try not to follow the micro trends, I don't buy the products. But everything's just been so glowy for 3 years now. I'm ready for some more skin-like products. Soft matte, satin matte. Now this is a new product that I did pick up recently. It's the Precisely My Brow Pencil from Benefit. It has the retractable, creamy tip there and then a little spoolie. When the laminated brow came in, I found I couldn't really use an eyebrow pencil with them. It just wouldn't stick to my skin. And I didn't really like the look of the two together, but I just been using a little bit of eyebrow gel and filling my eyebrows in a bit more, and I've been really enjoying the look. I do think eyebrows are one of my favorite parts of the face to do, and this is just kind of bringing back a 2018 brow for me. I do leave it a little softer. And I've also got a bit of a warmer shade, which I think is nice for the summer. In the winter, I might go for more cool. But because I do have more of the freckles, I've gotten a little bit of a tan. I think the warmth just adds more dimension and it's a little softer in the brow. My eyes are watering. Then I just like to soften it here so there's no harsh lines. It's just a bit more structure to my face. And then I use the Benefit 24-hour brow setter and just set my brows. I don't feel ready for summer to be over. I feel like I still want to get outside, want to do some bike rides. I have had a really good summer though. I feel like this is one of the summers where I've gotten outside a lot and done a lot of nice physical activity. I've gotten like a tan for the first time in 5 years. I have been wearing my SPF though, don't worry. Have you been able to accomplish your summer bucket list? I think sometimes they can be a little intimidating. This year I just really wanted like nice, just vibes. Okay, so I'm gonna be using the Milk Makeup Jelly Tint. This is in the shade First, which is like a really bright poppy pink. I like to apply it either right on the skin and blend it out really quickly, or just on a brush and that stamp lightly. This is a really like bright, I find it's a cool fresh pink. So sometimes not what you're looking for in the summer. I like how it stains, like it just, such a beautiful product. I don't know why more people aren't still talking about it, because these went viral when they first came out. And now you don't see anyone using it, even though tints were like made for the summer when you're sweating and all that. Now I've been really liking to like use more than one product for the lips, the cheeks. It's been making my makeup look more nice. I've been enjoying it. So I'm going in with Sweet Cheeks from Nude Sticks. Look how well loved this is. All of its like color, or the writing's all coming off. This is a really beautiful, like warm pink, sun-kissed. And I'm just gonna add that. It's very glowy. I'm just gonna add that over. You might be surprised that I'm adding so much glowy products when I just said matte skin I think is coming back in. But we will use powder, quiet this a bit, a little on the nose. Oh, another way to quiet it is using your concealer. So let's get into that next. Now I have the Tower 28 Serum Concealer, and I just want to look at the concealer, see what it's like when they put it on. But I do find this shade is quite yellow on me when I blend it out. Maybe not right now, but definitely once, you know, my tan goes away. It's very, I saw it in my camera when I was editing photos. So I'm just going to go see what the other concealer will be like. I think we've all been over blending our products, you know, in like 2018 and 2016, that kind of era of YouTube makeup. You would hear blend, blend, blend. I think we blended the product away. Then I think it loses its opacity. And you know what? I blended my concealer a little less yesterday, and I noticed that it creased less. So here, let me show you. I kind of pat it, you know, to move the product. And that's as much as I blended out in my under eye. And I'll just add more. Can you see? Oh my God, those pimples are just angry. I hate you. Bring this down here, cover up that blush. I'm just using the rest to kind of blend out the borders. And I usually just get like really dark in here, and you can see a little bit of darkness under my eye. But once I put mascara on, it kind of looks like eyeshadow, so it's fine. Then I'm just gonna take some loose setting powder. This one's from Rare Beauty. I don't really like it. I'm just trying to use it up at this point. The reason why I bought it was because I needed some new setting powder. You know, the Huda Beauty one's like $52 Canadian before tax. And I think I was trying to get into natural makeup a bit more. So I bought this, and it's all right. Like, it takes down the glow. I don't know. I think I'd buy Huda Beauty again once I'm done this in 10 years. Okay, that took down the glow. And then my absolute favorite pressed powder makes me really happy with my makeup. This is the Hourglass Translucent Setting Powder. Really set that outer corner, create that like airbrushed, flawless look. I like to then take it down the side of my nose, maybe up it a bit. I don't think this is translucent. Like, this totally gives a bit of a cast. I think I saved this look. Then I'm just gonna use that powder blush again, or brush, and marry everything together. I think we're gonna do mascara. I'm going to put some black eyeliner at the top, or tight line the top here. I find it just makes my eyelashes look so much thicker. Like, see, look at that. And this one from Sephora, it's the waterproof 12-hour colorful eyeliner. Especially if you don't like close your eyes, even though mine always water, it sets really well. There might be a little transfer right after, but if you just wipe that away with a Q-tip, you won't have any more. This is another product where it's like, I've bought it, I need to be using it up. I find I've been loving this mascara so much more since it's dried up a bit. You know, it's got a little thicker. Like, look at that. That's great for an $8 mascara. So this is a new find for me. It's the Rimmel London Lasting Finish Lip Liner. I don't know how long lasting this is. I find it's pretty creamy, so I find it comes off. But I love that it's a pencil, so much better for sharpening. And this is a really beautiful, like taupey, cool tone brown. I find it really suits my skin tone, which I sometimes through following people online will get a lip liner and it's very orange and it just doesn't look great on me, but I'm still trying to make it work. I also find that a lot of my lip pencils have been looking better on me in the summer since I've gotten this little bit of tan since I've been leaving the house. You have that problem? I feel like talking about color theory has gotten a lot more attention on YouTube and Instagram, TikTok, and just how one shade can look so different on everyone. I have just been loving lip liners recently. And then I like to blend with my finger. Love that color, but I do think that Stone by MAC, it's very similar. It just has a lot more that's Stone by MAC, and then we have Cappuccino there. It's just a bit more brown, dark in tone, and I really see the difference when I put it on my lips. Now you might be thinking to yourself, this is a very fall lip look you're doing. Don't worry. I'm gonna go back in with the Milk Makeup tint and just pack it on the lips. It has like a cooling sensation. I love this so much. I just love it. I love that for us. I was going to do the MAC Squirt Lip Plumping Stick in Simulation. Love this. I think we will save this for more of a fall day though. And I'm gonna add the Fenty Beauty in Champ Stamp Fantasy. Like, excuse me? Who do I think I am? How dare my lips look that nice? So this is my It's Still Summer makeup. It's kind of similar of my sweatproof makeup that I did not too long ago, which, oh my God, I got 400 views on that. That's crazy for me. How do you feel? Are you a fall enthusiast, or are you still trying to hold on to every last bit of summer? Like, once September comes around, middle of September, I'm ready for fall. But I still want some sunny days, man. Hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it gave you some inspiration for still wearing the fall or summer colors. I maybe should have done an orange makeup look. That might have been a little bit better for, hey, bitches, it's still summer. Have a fantastic day, whatever you are doing. And I will see you in the next video, I hope. Please subscribe, leave a comment. It helps me out. Bye.